ఏడున్నారా? ఏమైందా? 2 మెంబర్స్ ఏది? ఆవు నేను పోతున్నా, సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను. Keep the door locked. Game pair, guys. Please strum your Roblox audio for full experience.
We have prepared a suite for you. Rest to your heart's content. The hotel has a strict no refund policy under any circumstances.
Good luck. And we hope you see ఇద్దరు ఇచ్చిన జూమ్ అవుట్. అరే జూమ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి రాదురా. నా డైపర్ చూడు ఒకసారి. Read before sleeping. Bathroom monster. Never sleep alone. Let a guest into your room first. Door knocker. Not every knock is human. Check the visitor before opening. Stay alert. The in. अरे जरूर बे डोर कत्తుకున్నా. अरे फ्लैश लाइट ऑफ చేయి. బ్యాట్ ఉందిరా ఈడ. రోబక్స్ కావాలంట. అరే ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంది. క్లిక్ చేసుకుని
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left? So, keep your door locked tonight, yeah?
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna knock. Don't open it.
Gonna knock you out.
Just take a peek first. People, the little camera, whatever. If they're talking weird, that ain't a person. Trust me. Quick though, don't take your time. If power cuts out, get to the breaker and flip it. Fast. One more thing. Don't ever sleep alone. There's something in that bathroom. Wait for the others. Sleep together. It won't touch a full room.
Hey, yo.
Stay in your room. Don't die. You'll be fine. Probably. Anyway, sleep tight. Kinda hope I see you in the morning.
బాత్రూమ్ వస్తుందిరా నాకు. వద్దురా. Nerd boy, I am friend of the room across from you. I need to get inside. Open door. Lock the door. I thought I was done. Oh, Eden, I guessed. Sleep. Day 1, day 2. Jera. Bye. No, clean చేయాలి. You want to know?
does it? Yeah, nothing else. Just check the video.
ఉన్నది ఒకటే రూపాయి మీ దగ్గర
Start wild. These niggas out here snitching. They with the rat pack.
అరే కరెక్ట్ పోయింది గాయస్ విల్ మీట్ ఆఫ్టర్